Full adjustment.
Make sure and pound some water today, okay?
I'm ready.
Yeah, it's the spot right there. All right, so I want you to deep breath in for me. All the way up. Let's go. Yes, sir. Nice. Yeah. Pressure here. You're okay with that neck adjustment, correct?
Mm-hmm.
No headache after I adjusted you?
No, I was fine.
All right. Let's go. Yes, sir. Buddy.
Wow.
Got a little elevation here. A little, how's it? Is this tender at all? Or
It is, it is.
That's the one, man. I'm gonna hit that real quick, okay?
Ooh.
Yeah, buddy.
Wow.